In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get voice chat here in Roblox. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But voice chat is obviously really useful because it lets you talk to other players here in Roblox, no matter which game you're playing. To get started, either go ahead and select more on the left hand side, or just go ahead and navigate directly into your settings up in the top right. But once you are in your settings, what you're going to want to do first is select privacy and content restrictions from this left hand sidebar and select communication first. Once you open up communication, go ahead and select voice chat and just make sure that enable microphone is turned on or use microphone to chat with voice. It's going to be one of those two settings. Turn it on either way. And once this is enabled, voice chat will be active on your account. From here though, go back out to your communication settings and go into party and just make sure it's not set to no one for either of these options. Just set it to everyone or friends only. It's up to you. From here though, back out again, and what you're going to want to do is go into your experience chat and make sure that these are set to everyone as well. This is going to be mainly text chat, but it is still worth having it enabled. Finally, go up to the very top on account info, select on it, and just make sure that you are at least 13 years old. You do have to be at least 13 years old to use voice chat, or you have to have your phone number or email verified. Having both verified is even better. It's kind of up to you though, but if neither is verified, be 13 and you're good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you can use voice chat here in Roblox with no issues. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.